It, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Hey guys, and today we are going to be making butter slime. So I'm going to be showing you those ways that you can make it. I just want to let you know this is just regular old fluffy slime. It's not butter slime. So I'm actually going to be using this though for one of my butter slimes. So don't forget to go down and hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's go and check out these butter slimes. Okay, so for our first one, you're just gonna need some fluffy slime, and which I'm sure by now you probably know how to make unless you're new to my channel. So basically, if you do not know how, just go down and you can always check out some of my other videos because I have like a whole bunch of videos where I make fluffy slime. So anyway, first you're just gonna get your fluffy slime, and you're gonna need some cornstarch, and get your bowl, and you're just gonna put your fluffy slime aside for now, and move that over a little bit. Okay, so you're kind of just gonna like, oh gosh, get like it's cornstarchy in here. Okay, yeah, that was bad. Anyway, so you're going to get your cornstarch, put it in your bowl, and then you're going to grab your, gosh, I just knocked the thing of cornstarch over. You're going to grab your fluffy slime, and, okay, sorry about that loud beep, if you could hear it or not. It was just the oven. Anyway, so you put your slime in your cornstarch and just like kind of, like lather it around, and you want to, oh gosh, it's like very powdery. Anyway, so you're just gonna keep mixing it, and it's not gonna like mix at first, and it's not probably all gonna mix. But so might be a little frustrated, but trust me, it will eventually all mix in. I find it actually really fun to like mix the baking soda into the slime. It just like feels so nice. I mean, you might, but I love it. Anyway, so almost done. I just have a little bit more to mix in. Okay, so I've like mixed all of the cornstarch in, and it feels literally so amazing right now. Honestly, you could just leave it like this. It's a little bit sticky, so I would, if you are gonna leave it like this, I would add some contact solution before you like just leave it. Anyway, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some baby oil and do like half a teaspoon. So first I gotta this. Ooh. Where's my half a teaspoon? I'll be back when I find it. Alrighty, so I have my half a teaspoon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to it and get it out. I'm just gonna like kind of put it. There we go. I might add a little bit more than this because it might not be enough. It's hard to get out. I might just do it like this. Here we go. There we go. Ooh. Alright, that's probably enough. Now I'm just gonna like mix this in. It'll make it like extra stretchy, even though, I mean, if you don't want to add it, you really don't have to. I'm just gonna add it because that's what I heard to do. But now you're just gonna add like a little bit more contact solution, and I'm actually gonna add some color to it. So let's see. Okay, so it actually doesn't call for this, but I'm gonna put a little bit of like purple paint. Ugh. Oh, that was not a little bit. Too much. Let's see if I can get some back in. Oh gosh, that was not good. Alright, well, I guess we'll just mix it and see what happens. Sorry about the background noises. My dad's watching a funny TV show, so yeah. Anyway, so, okay, so now, actually, what am I doing? I won't even need my mixer because I can't really mix it that well. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it with my hands and see what happens. Okay, so it turns out I actually added just the right amount because it's like a really light, pretty purple, So like, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I feel like this is amazing. And here's the final test. Okay, so it's time to spread. Oh my gosh, that is actually pretty good. So I guess it's true butter slime now. That's what everyone says. So anyway, I actually don't have enough time for my second slime, sadly, but my second butter slime, but I will do that in the next video, so it'll be like a continuation of this video. So anyway, make sure to go check that out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.